First rainstorm at sea. Dumping pretty good right now. About 3-foot wind waves. We just came around a point on the island, so we're getting hit by it for the first time directly. So that's facing northwest. Got our dinghy in tow. I don't know, I got about 75 feet of line out. We're gonna anchor tonight in the storm. I got my floppers ready to go. I'm in desperate need of new canvas up front here. This zipper's shot and all the stitching is ripped out. And I can't see very well, but we're the only one out here, so I don't have to worry about hitting anybody. Uncle Mark's GPS working great. Got my VHF with AIS receiver, and we just got past one of the Catalina ferries, just past us, same heading. And my radar is broken. The array, I think it's the motor in the array that's seized, because whenever I click it on, it just blows the fuse immediately. Beck wants to go boogie boarding. I don't think that's going to happen today in the wind. And that's it for now.